In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect wired controller to Android. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Regardless of which Android device you have, a smartphone, a tablet, or even a TV, you will be able to connect and use any controller. Of course, for this, you will need a USB cable to establish the connection between the Android device and the controller itself. So grab any suitable USB cable, usually the one that they provide with your phone or your device to charge it should be enough. All that you have to do is plug one end of the cable into the controller. So most controllers, at least modern ones, will have a USB-C port where you plug the cable in, and the other end should go into your Android device. If it is a smartphone, it is going to be the charging port below the device. And this should be the same for any sort of tablet. If you are using an Android TV or a bigger device, usually it is going to be at the back, and it is going to be USB-A for most of those. But regardless of which USB port you have, simply establish a physical connection. So for modern devices, it is usually going to be USB-C to USB-C. However, it is also going to work between USB-A and USB-C, or even USB-A, USB-A, and so on. It doesn't matter. As long as you establish a connection between the controller and your smartphone or tablet, it should be recognized and usable right away, so you don't need to download any additional tools. For most generic controllers, they will be recognized with X input, and most games will be able to translate those inputs without any issue. So as soon as you plug them in using a cable, they will be detected when you get inside of the game that you are trying to play. Some games will not have controller support, so keep that in mind. It is recommended to search if your specific game that you are going to be playing has connectivity or support for controllers. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect wired controller to Android. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.